We're here at the Trestle Bridge, well, the Trestle Trails. Well, this is the place that I want to attempt the power loop. We'll see how risky it is. Not too windy here, surprisingly. I think those are the owners, but
I agree.
it's not too windy here, so I'm well. But okay, one thing about this place, there is a stream that runs down the middle.
Oh,
Underneath the bridge.
what?
But the sides have land.
Oh.
I'm gonna attempt on the sides.
Ah.
And this one, I'll actually have a face cam so you can see live reaction because I feel like this deserves it.
Oh.
I'm actually so anxious right now. Okay, like I said, I've never power looped anything other than like soccer goal posts, and I'm like 80-20, 80% accurate, 20% miss. So we're gonna see what happens. Oh, I see the bridge. Is that the bridge? The gleam? The gleam in the distance. I know, there's such a beautiful view right now. I'm cock blocking because I'm not going to turn around, but yeah, I'm going to turn around. Look at that beautiful view. Yeah, so we're going to attempt to power loop this, but I'm not sure if we can. Is there a pathway down? Nope. Oh, here, there's somewhat of a path. Okay, maybe not.
Yo, there's no way we're going to do that.
Okay, never mind. There's a lot more water than I expected.
Yeah, there's no way. That is gorgeous.
Okay, so update. We're gonna do a safe cinematic flight because there's actually no way to get down there, and it's all wasteland. Like it's all water. So I don't really want to risk the Nazgul because it's my only flying machine at this point. Yeah, the view is so wonderful.
It's a former train track.
I think so. It looks like it. So unfortunately, we won't get our dream of power looping this place, even though I think there's a lot of space. I'll fly through it and do like a split S, but I'm not going to power loop. Mainly because I don't trust my power loop that well enough. I need to, find some confidence in it and then be able to power loop something like a pagoda or like something smaller, but still a structure. And yeah, I don't. Oh well, it is what it is. Alright, we're going to take the safe route, hopefully, and make it back with a drone. Alright, so we're going to have a nice chill flight. We're not going to attempt the power loop because there's no accessible way to get down there to retrieve this drone. So we're going to do a nice cinematic flight, as if the wind will let us.
We're also millennials. We can be millennials too, I guess.
That was not a good sign, the wind that just bursted.
No, I guess so.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that's a lot of that. Wow, you're just going. Don't overthink it.
Wow. You can see it?
No, I can see where you are. Be careful.
Oh, I'm losing connection. Coming. Maybe I should stand at the bridge tonight. Like I was losing control of it. Like, holy shit. I'm going down the back. Oh, it's so blocky. I think I need to go on the bridge to get better connection. Yeah. My battery's about to die, so I think use this one.
That's so fast.
Well, these batteries have been sitting in the car though. Oh, there's, whoa, my god, I didn't see the branch there. Almost. It might be HD, but I can't see shit. Battery's oh, I can't even pitch forward either. Oh my god, the wind's so hard, I'm like fighting it. Okay, yeah, I need to go to the bridge to get better connection.
Go for it, go for it. Alright.
Hopefully not too much gravel got it.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That was an okay flight. I lost connection like halfway into the valley. We're gonna move to the bridge and see if that can do better. Because I lost connection halfway. Like the stick started feeling very laggy. It felt like I was flying a mini. Like once I pressed the stick, it would like take a couple seconds of delay, and I don't like that when I'm flying over very nice places and high places like this. So we're gonna move over to the bridge side and see if we can get a better connection there, and hopefully we can, because I want to get the golden hour shot of the day. Well, it's not gonna be the golden hour, because the golden hour shot I want is a loop-de-loop and golden, and yeah, we're not hitting targets, okay? But all right, we're gonna take this. We're gonna head over there. There's currently people on the bridge, but we're gonna look past that. We don't got time to wait for them, so let's just keep going. The moment has been here. We're currently out here on the double trestle bridge. It's on the Trans-Canada Highway. So I'm gonna plug in. We're gonna get a narrative flight. It's gonna be a cinematic flight. I don't want to do any. Okay, what's happening? Okay. I don't want to do any like sudden movements because it's so windy and there's no way to get the drone if it falls. So that's gonna be safe for another day. This flight should be a-okay. It's just a quick cinematic, maybe a split S, and that's about it. All right, we're gonna start. It's a bit windy. Maybe we should wait a little bit. What do you think, Wesley?
I think go for it.
Go for it, even though there's wind.
Yeah.
All right.
You get more views if you cross the road.
Hey, we're not gonna think about that, okay?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, I got so much. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh. Oh, that view though. Okay, Wesley, you're still gonna look at this when we get back to the car. Oh my god. Oh, there's a wind. Am I gonna make it? I made it. There's so much wind right now. Oh my god. Alright, let's try another split S. Hopefully the wind is not gonna affect us this time. So one thing I can't really do right now is skate, which is like the smooth S turn. So that's one thing I struggle with. Too much wind! Power up, please! Nearly crashed there. We're fine, we're fine. Okay, let's chill on the battery. The battery's about done. So we still have 2 more packs, I think. Do a couple orbits. Say hi, Wesley. These are not clean orbits. There's wind everywhere. Ooh. Oh my god, I love this view. Okay, let's chill. Alright, I'm coming in for a landing. Oh, I just noticed if I miss my landing, I'm fucked. Am I good?
Yeah.
We're good?
We're good.
My heart is pumping at a fast beat. If I had my heartbeat monitor, it would be crazy right now. That kind of adrenaline is what FPV is all about. You just get so much like magnificent views from a first-person perspective. Like show the landscape here, Wesley, pan. It's just amazing. So what we're gonna do is we've got 4 packs to go. I'm just gonna jam out. That was the cinematic flight. I think I'm gonna try a little bit more, but definitely not a power loop. Maybe another big split S and like actually dive down and drop. So we're gonna try that. Yeah, here it comes. Come on. That aside, let's. Wind, please stop. Okay, that aside, we're gonna put in new packs and then we're gonna launch up and let's go. I just noticed how perfect my landing was. Like dead center, like right there. So let's come closer.
Wait, don't pick it up yet. Don't pick it up.
I'm not gonna pick it up, but look how dead centered this is. That's like epic. All right, let's get this last pack. We're gonna make it count, and we're gonna leave here with 2 drones. Okay, we already secured 1. We just need this one to survive. Let's start the GoPro. Alright, we're live and let's go fly.
Oh.
Alright, last pack of the day. We got golden hour approaching, so I'm gonna get my best shot with the song Golden Hour in the background. We're gonna perfectly montage that with this flight, so let's just go. I'm done waiting. Today, this culminates everything that we've been doing today. This is the last shot. Alright, we arming. And we diving. Ooh. Alright, we in position. Let's go split up. Oh, that was so clean. Alright, let's continue it. Golden hour. I love this. I'm gonna show you the song later, Wesley, but the song is so nice. I kind of power looped it just now. Okay, heart beating. Let the battery finish. Settle. Again, battery settled. We're 14.8 volts, so it should be big. Let's get a low shot here. Oh my god, okay, wind. Oh, nearly hit the top of the bridge. Oh my god. Trestle. Battery's still holding strong, so that's good. Ooh, Jesus Christ, this footage. Ooh, my legs are shaking so much with adrenaline right now. I don't even think I can do a talk and fly about us here. Oh, that was my smoothest split S yet. Just getting so much better and better. I noticed I cannot do a split S on the right hand side. I just don't know. It's not comfortable. Let's try it. Yep, nope, let's bail out. Oh my god. I can't do split S on the right hand side, only left hand. It's so strange. Okay, battery, are you done? Yep, just about done. I'm gonna bring in for a landing over there. I don't think I'm gonna land on the bridge again. That was purely a fluke. I'm gonna set it on the pathway right eventually. Oh, and then that. You know what? No, one more shot. down with the golden hour in the view. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, there's branches everywhere.
Watch out, people. Go up. If you land on the gravel there, we can...
Battery's still
Huh?
Oh! Almost hit the tree.
Yeah. Better to hit the tree and to land near us than for it to go off. Landing? Oh, they're leaving.
Oh, so you're gonna get your good mini shot.
I can now.
Whee!
That's good.
Okay, the battery's almost dead. I'm going to land. Oh, 13.5, 13.1, it's dropping. It's dead. Am I safe? No. I need to land. The battery's dropping.
Land. Down.
Woo! Okay, that was 10.1 volts. The battery's fully discharged now. It's like at 0 volts. I pretty much damaged that battery, but it's worth it. This place is worth it. One sacrifice for a battery. That's all I'm asking. I power looped this bridge. Half power loop actually. I chickened out, but I got like the loop down. It was the cleanest, but I'm gonna use it. I did it. I did it. I did it. All right, and we'll leave it too so we can get better shots. Okay, let's get the drone. I'm out of battery, so that's it. We're gonna get some mini footage first, and perfect. There's sun coming out, and we're I can't even speak right now. There's so much adrenaline's running right now. All right, so I'm gonna go get the drone. Wesley's gonna set up the mini, and we're gonna toss it over to the mini footage. So Wesley, take it away.
Missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to